Hello student, welcome to my class for computer in class 9th. Okay, today we'll understand that using typing software. Okay student, so here are a number of the software which are available in websites which allow us to learn how to type how to improve your typing. Okay, in this first one thing, the Rapid Typing Tutor is free and open source software. Okay, that is also known as FOSS, that is FOSS. Okay, designed to learn typing skill on a computer, and it is free to use and share. Okay, by that you can easily learn that. And then let's see what is the interface, what are the actual interface of that. So touch typing technique. So student, here are some technique by which you can learn what are the touch technique by which you can easily understand how to write and how to type the contents without any problem. Okay, so first one thing, so these exercises are categorized in these stages. The first stage, and stage 1, is process to begin with the learning with the home row key. That is, home row key means like from which start from caps lock, A, S, D, F, and tilde, semicolon, and comma. Okay student, then after that you will learn the particular number rows, okay, upper rows, and along with a special row also, special symbol row I meant to say, okay, which containing numbers, numerics. And then after that you will learn stage 2. Okay, stage 2 actually involves the memorize the keys or syllables, I mean to say whatever the structure of the keys in the keyboard, so you have to learn that. Then after that we are talking about the stage 3. Stage 3 involves the typing actual text perfection with the skill required. Okay, I am say acquired. So whatever the words are there you are going to type, it should be have the actual perfection. Suppose that if you are writing spelling of a particular word, it should not be mistake by your hand. Okay, so you have to type that with easy and frequently. Now touch typing schools and rules. You can see there are ASDF and JKL semicolon are what thing categorized under the box, and 5 is also categorized under the box. So this means these are main particular touch technique in which you have to put your finger, okay, by default. Okay, so whenever the word required or letter required or key required, you have to just press that, okay, that required key. So color coding shows you finger that, okay, press each and other key. Okay student, so these are color coding. By that you can go by that you can type the easily that one thing. Now we are talking about typing tutor. Okay students, so what is the typing tutor? Typing tutor is another type of the window composed control, I mean to say software also, okay, which provides you the next level of the typing exercise, and it gives the better combination of backgrounds also. Here you can see this interface. Okay, in this interface, word by word, every word will come one by one, and according to that you will put on a finger on a keyboard and then you have to type one by one. Okay, so here are number of the words, I am say buttons are there according to the 3 horizontal button, vertical button, text panel. Okay, so everything is here according to the exercise level. Okay, and lesson control panel also, here you can see that lesson control panel also given here at the drop down menu. Okay, and keyboard also, which provide you ASDF and QRT option also. Okay, begin lesson. So how to begin your lesson? To start your first lesson in typing tutor, you select the keyboard layout. Okay, first of all you have to select the keyboard layout, because there are 2 type of keyboard layout. Okay, one of them is QWERT layout and another one is a different one. So you have to just choose the layout, and then after that you have to select the and that is English version, and then after that select the level, okay, whatever the level. Okay, and then after that you can start it as begin in picture given above. Okay, so now to start you have to press this play button, or to pause you have to click on this button again if you want to click this one thing. Okay, this also enable you to listen the lesson also without looking that one thing. You can listen and type this also. Okay, So you can see what are the animation. Actually animation shows you what will come the next word. I'm saying alphabet, okay, in the plain text, okay, as compared to the plain text, this will come in the form of animation to I'm saying improve your interest also, okay. In drop down menu you can select the lesson, okay. Shift keys, digital key, numeric key, you have to just select one of them, and then you can start typing with easy data entry and keyboarding is cool. Now how to interpret your results, okay students. So now let's see how you are going to check what you have done and how your performance you have done. So you can see in this figure number 2.17, result details window are in your achievements. I am to say it is a window actually shows you what you have done. So here you can see that red label, orange label, green label and dark green label, okay. According to that word per minute, good level, it will show 10 word per minute, 10%, 90%. So it will suggest you what to do and how to do, okay. So here it will if you want to do the same lesson again, so try it again, you can press and then go on, otherwise go the next lesson, and then after that click on go on, okay student. So here are actually colors meaning. So here colors meanings means green letter denoted the right inputs, okay student. You can see that here a green color shows you you have pressed the right buttons for the letter, okay. Yellow, this letter stand for the input exceed acceptable time frame, okay. So it means to say yellow means you have input the correct letter, but it is before I may say whatever the time frame given, after that you have pressed that. I want to say exceed the time limit. Red letter denote the wrong input, okay student. Red color show you what is the wrong letter you have typed, okay. Orange color, it also shows you whatever the wrong keys you have pressed exceed the time limit also. So these are the color coding also. So error window, we are telling about what is the error window, okay. And actually error tab, when you click your detail static for the current lesson, this tab shows you the error details percentage, okay, both in the graphic and in table view. This will help you to better understand with letter and still for your typing, okay. You can switch between the error percentage chart, okay. I will show you where is error percentage chart, okay. This is, you can see that error percentage chart, okay. So rapid typing 5.2, it will show you what is the percentage you have done, okay. So overall rating, that is 100% whatever you have done, okay. Lesson number, basic lesson number 2, okay. Speed word per minute, that is 23 character word per minute. Accuracy 75%. Slow down words 0%, done 100%. So time limit, okay. Word typing, everything is mentioned here according to the chart also, okay. This is error window, you can see that, and a performance window, okay. You can look at the your performance also in a this particular line bar also, I mean line bar chart also, okay student. Now we will consider the statics also, the particular lesson, same thing will appear here, whatever I explained above, okay. So overall rating here, and it will show you the static for the particular lesson, okay students. So this figure is shows you the whatever the statics for particular lesson, and this will I'm say this figure will show you particular overall I'm say overall performance of your typing. So we are talking about detailed lesson statics, okay. So to review the static for the particular lesson, choose the lesson and right table and click on the lesson tab, okay student. So I will give you the link how to download this particular software, and then after that you will read the chapter. I am to say I will send you this note and you will do the practice for that, okay. And then working with a lesson editor, so how you in this particular topic it will say how to work with lesson editor, how to change it, how to do that, okay. So here you can see that navigation and 3N shows the existence. I mean to say whatever you are going to type, it will show you what you have typed. Okay, for example, it is turned in red color, it means you have written and say press the wrong key. Okay, and this box will show you what you are going to type and say which is next, what is the next particular keys you have to type. In second window you can see that which lesson you need to select. Okay, you have to go to shift your lesson and then select your lesson, and sub lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to select one of them. And then after that you can see that same thing explained here. Digit key, shift inside digit key lesson, you can select the one of that lesson also. Okay, and then calculating your typing speed. How to calculate the typing speed? So student, here is some formulas are given there by which you can calculate the typing speed. Here is word per minute, net word per minute, that is a number of the character type in a minute per period time. So net that is character per minute, kpm, that is keystroke in a minute per time, and net kpm, that is without keystroke error. Okay students, so let's discuss what is that. WPM, its formula is WPM equals to words without error plus word with error divided by time spent in minute. Okay student, and net WPM, so it's the formula WPM, the whatever the calculate from here, minus word per editor and say error upon time spent in minute. Okay, CPM character without error, character with error divided by time spent in minute. Net CPM, so net CPM equals to net CPM minus character with error divided by time spent in minute. Okay student, so these are some formula, okay, that you have learned for the exam purpose also. Now we need to understand what is the typing accuracy. Actually accuracy means whatever you have typed without any mistake, that means accuracy. Okay, so first one thing, accuracy in the word percentage. So how to calculate the accuracy according to the percentage? So formula is here, that is accuracy equals to 100% minus word with error. Okay, then star, you mean to say multiply by 100% divided by total number of words. And accuracy in character percent, accuracy equals to 100% minus character with error into 100 divided by total number of characters. Accuracy in the keystroke percentage equals to 100% minus incorrect keystroke into 100% divided by total number of words. So these are some formulas student, you have to write in your classwork copy, okay, as in the tabular format that is given note, and you have to learn it for the exam purpose also. So now we are going to different formulas there. Okay, so good typing speed, okay, everything is mentioned here. Now some practical exercise. So student, it is a practical exercise for you all. You will type from your left hand, that is ASDF, okay, this content, okay, at least 2 lines. Using your right hand you have to type semicolon and say Terminator LKG space Terminator LKG space, like this. Using both hand you have to type GH, this one. Now stress your hand, index finger up to 2 and look at the keyboard and type. So okay student, by your say index finger you have to just stretch your hand and touch your keyboard T and H. Okay student, by TSTS. Using your left hand type D, this one example you have to do DW, okay, D RED, like this. Using your finger right hand you have to use UJKI. So these are some student practice you have to do in a class, I would say as a homework, as a computer. Okay, so and some questions are there, that is MCQ questions. First one thing, which of the following is not the key of punctuation marks? Okay, So here is you can see that equal sign is not a punctuation mark. Okay, which of the following is not an arrow key? Here is stop, that is ZOR something that I am known as. So this is not an arrow key. Okay, rest of these all three are arrow key. So which of the following operation is not performed by a mouse? Okay, so here you can see that middle click, okay, double click possible, right click possible, left click possible, middle click not possible. So option number C is the answer for question number 3. Next question number 4, the rapid typing tutorial. Okay, as we discussed, which of the following is not true? Okay, green letter denote the right button. Okay, yellow letter stand for right input in extra time. Red button denote the wrong input within time. Orange indicate wrong input within time. So D option is correct, because orange letter indicate wrong input within time. It is not possible. Wrong input exceeded time it should be. Now question number 5, the lesson control panel can use for, okay, animation, enable or disable the sound, plane, background. Okay, so actually lesson control panel used for animation, enable, disable sound, plane, okay, or the background. This actually regarding to the contents, whatever it will come from the backside, whatever the lesson you have selected. Okay, so it actually related to the animation. Okay, now student, I am giving you homework. Okay, these filling the work, filling the blanks. Okay, so you have to note it on class copy. Okay, and I will send you this particular notes also. By reading that one thing, you have to just fill the answer of these questions. And here some state true and false also. Okay, so you have to do that. Some true false also here. So you have to pause the video and then you will complete the answer. So now section number D. So you can see the video and pause the video and do the answer in your home class copy. Thank you and have a nice day.